Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great and very fantastic. So today the weather is also very cold. So today I want to share my biggest dream, which is I want to be a BCS cadre, special education cadre. And I believe that one day I will fulfill my dream. I want to be a teacher because this profession is not only a great profession but also very respectable profession from where I can easily earn money, and I also be able to earn respect also. So that's why I chose this profession. And from this profession I can easily serve to my people, and I love to teach people, I love to guide people, I love giving advice people. So that's why for a very long time my dream is to become a good teacher. So that's why I choose this, that one day I will become a very respectable, a good teacher. And throughout this profession I also want to fulfill my dream that in my village there are many people who just need little advice for their children, but they don't have anyone to provide that advice. So I want to this man who helps them to provide a good advice for their children. So that's why I chose this profession as my dream. And I believe that one day I will fulfill this dream, inshallah, with hard working. That's all for today, and if you enjoy this video, please like, comment and share. Assalamu alaikum.